Hello friends, how are you? Today I bring a new video for you, and in this video I will teach you how to earn money watching YouTube videos. So this video is specially for Engage Hits users, and if you are not using Engage Hits and you are new to Engage Hits, then you can check my next video about getting started with Engage Hits. So, and if you are already the user of Engage Hits, then you may know about Engage Hits. Engage Hits is all about getting points and using those points to gain views in your YouTube videos. So when I open my Engage It extension, I've got two functions. One is for earning money and one is for earning points. I'm sure that you may not have these two functions. You will get only earning points option. So how to get these uh, two functions in your Engage Hits extension? Okay, this video is for this, and if you want to know how to get this green box on money function in your Engage Hits extension, then watch this video till the end. So from this green box you will earn money by watching YouTube videos, whereas from this blue box you can earn points and you can use those points to increase views in your YouTube videos. So let's get started. Now for getting this function, I first you sign in your Engage Hits website, and see, you can see here also in your dashboard you will be missing this function. So to get this function, you need to do one thing, that is go to timebox.com, and link is given in the description, and if you register through my referral, then you will get $1 bonus also. So this is a good platform to earn money doing different tasks. Like you're in on tab, there are many functions from which you can earn direct money from doing surveys, doing simple tasks, sign-ups, videos, TikToks, and referring others, offer walls, AliExpress links, and sweepstakes. So there are many other tasks from which, many other things from which you can earn from Timebox. So now we are talking about Engage Hits. So how to get this function? Okay, so after registering this timebox.com, go to on and then go to this contacts tab, and in fifth row you will get Engage Hits. Okay, so here in this task you will get paid to watch specific YouTube videos, and also you can get bonus, that is loyalty bonus, if you watch 10 plus videos or 2 rounds of 10 videos for 30 days, then you will receive $1 bonus also. So friends, this is very good platform for gaining money, for earning money by watching YouTube videos. So if you are bored of points only and you want to convert those points into money, then get started now and register today in this timebox.com, and link is given in the description. And I want to say again that if you use my referral code, then you will get $1 bonus. So get started now and sign up in timebox.com and start earning money, and I will show you how to earn money from Engage Hits also. So after you sign up in timebox.com, then you will get this function, and all you need to do is the same process. So click in this green box, and after that all the process is same. So I'm clicking here, it will give the same task. Okay, so what you need to do is copy that text and search in the search box of youtube.com, it will automatically search the video, and if it doesn't, you have to refresh it sometimes. So I'll refresh, and here it is. Okay, so So it will play the video and our we will be earning the money as well in timebox.com. So one thing you need to know is that you need to sign off in Timebox with the same email address that you use in Engage. Thank you for taking this video till the end. Hope you find this helpful. If you want to learn more tricks like this, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.